Hi there and welcome back. Welcome to Module 3. In Module 3, we are going to be going over a really popular subject, which is porosity. Now, the reason why I dedicated a whole module to porosity is because majority of the information out there that has to do with porosity is actually not true. They are false, and you're wondering, okay, how can it be false when everyone else is talking about it? Even major brands are spreading the same porosity information. Well, that's because that's what people believe, and so what's the point of falsifying something that everybody believes? And that's a great way to also sell products. So in this module, I'm going to be sharing some fresh insights about porosity and how it affects your hair and why your hair always feels dry, and it'll help you with taking one step further towards your moisture retention goals. All right, so let's take a look at what you are going to learn in this module. So in this module, you are going to learn the following things. So number one, I'm going to briefly go over what porosity is, and then next I'm going to share the three types of porosity, and then next I'm going to go over why you have your porosity level and what it means for you really, and then next I'm going to go over how the health of your cuticles. So remember, in module 1 I talked about the fact that cuticles are so popular, so that's why I dedicated a whole module to just showing you what those cuticles look like and the role they play in your hair care routine. And then next I'm going to go over the four types of hair damages that can raise your porosity level. So sometimes you're wondering, why is my hair constantly dry when I've done so much, I've tried so many products? Your answer can be in this lesson right here. And then next I'm going to go over how to determine your porosity level. I'm going to be sharing two popular methods and why these two methods just don't make sense, and the best way to check for your hair porosity level. Alright, so next I'm going to briefly go over recommended products for high porosity as well as low porosity, and then finally I'm going to go over how to lower your hair porosity level. So just in case you have high porosity, what can you do to lower that porosity level? Alright guys, so as usual, if you have any question relating to any lesson or anything, please leave it in the comment section below, or you can always send me an email as well. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next lesson where we are going to be going over what porosity is and the three types of porosity levels.